Hi, my name is John Krohn. I'm a theoretical astrophysicist and one of the members of the Astrobros. It's a term that I coined for us, a growing group of friends who are enthusiasts of space, cosmology, astrophotography, etc. So we have a few different rigs, as they're called, a complete assembly of telescopes with cameras, filters, a tripod, and a mount head. Now they all work together to stabilize the system and track the sun across the sky, or stars if it were at nighttime, in order to compensate for Earth's rotation, which although is slow enough you don't really notice it from a second-to-second basis, when you're looking through hundreds of millimeters or thousands of millimeters of focal length, the motion can be quite significant. And so we compensate for that with the mount. The cameras have a series of filters in front of them called a filter wheel that allows you to select certain wavelengths of light in order to enhance the image and get more detail out. We have narrowband filters such as hydrogen alpha, which is a type of light that's emitted by hydrogen when it's undergoing transitions in its excited states. And so the sun being made mostly of hydrogen and the atmosphere as well, there's a lot of hydrogen alpha light. It's about 656 nanometers. It's a very red type of light, and we can select these different types of gases in order to enhance detail. So my friends over here have different telescopes set up to observe the eclipse and on different fields of view, different amount of detail that you can get out of there with their different systems. It's a very interesting event because it's the first time since 2017 and many years before that in which you had a total solar eclipse happen over vast areas of land that have a lot of population density. In this case, North America. It'll provide us the opportunity to study the sun's corona, the outermost atmosphere, which is has some very interesting properties that we don't fully understand yet.
This mount and this telescope are maximized for deep space imaging. And what it does is, well, find a target, lock onto it. There's something called an auto guider that'll send pulses to the mount to track the target as it moves throughout the night. And as it's doing that, we're taking 5-minute exposures on average. So we'll take one 5-minute picture, and then we take another 5-minute picture, and we do that throughout the night until you have well over 25 to 50 pictures of that target. When you're done doing that, you take something called darks and flat frames. They remove a lot of the aberrations within the picture, and then we will stack the light frames, subtract all the aberrations until you get a picture like you see from the Hubble and the James Webb.